Good morning, all of you. Subject English Literature. Today we are going to learn about literary terms. So, literary terms are very important in English literature, and through literary terms, each genre of literature is depend on literary terms or literary terms are included in the genre of literature. So, first term is Elizabethan lyric for the syllabus. So, as a lyric, Greek define a lyric as a song to be sung to the accompaniment of a lyre, sung by lyre. It is called lyric. In England, a lyric is short poem deals with single emotion or feeling. Elizabethan age has been described expression of person feeling, nation led to the creation of new lyric forms that sought to capture rhythm of personal emotion. That is lyric. The first consideration early Elizabethan poet were Sir Thomas Watt, Early of Surrey. Remember these two names, Sir Thomas Watt and Earl of Surrey for the lyric. Okay. Next literary term is Elizabethan sonnet. Earl of Surrey and Henry Howard. The Earl of Surrey, it is called Henry Howard and Thomas Watt first helped to naturalize the Italian sonnet in English poetry. So both introduced in English poetry, Earl of Surrey and Thomas Watt. Remember name of two. Watt added to the Petrarchan form ABBA, CDE, but Surrey created the English form that was more popular with Elizabethan poet AB, CD, EF, GG. So remember these both are exam point of view. That is a sonnet means 40 line poem. It is called sonnet. Now cynical revenge tragedy. Okay, cynical revenge tragedy is bloody of nine process drama. That is a means bloody or bloodshed. There is a written in blank verse by Roman Stoic philosopher Seneca in the first century AD. That is okay. So Seneca plays were reworking cheaply of Euripides, gathering their deeper form, their original in their long declamatory narrative account of action. So there is a revenge, there is a bloodshed in revenge tragedy. Another is the comedy of humors. Okay, comedy of humor is important literary term. The comedy of humor is a genre of dramatic comedy that focuses on a character or a range of characters, each of whom exhibits two or more overriding traits or humor that dominates. But the Elizabeth playwright Ben Jonson and George Chapman popularized the genre. Okay, who popularized Ben Jonson, George Chapman. That is comedy of humor. Next is pastoral elegy. Pastoral were first written by the Greek poet Theocritus. First written about Theocritus. Remember the name of Theocritus. He represents the simple life of Sicilian shepherds. Get a simple life, rustic simple life. The model of Theocritus was later imitated by Virgil. It is a poem about both death and idyllic rural life. That is a rural life based on the rural life. A famous work of Milton's Lycidas. Matthew Arnold Thyresis and Tennyson's In Memoriam. Remember this work. Okay. Another is Medical. Badiga is a poem, secular vocal music poet, typical of the Renaissance period. Okay, that is a secular vocal poem. It is called Medical. Now remember the name of the writer, John Wilkes Thomas Vicker, Thomas Marley, English Medical School. These are the very famous in medical. Okay, and last is aphoristic essay. An aphoristic essay is consistent, iconic, and memorable expression of a general truth or principle. They are often handed down by the tradition from generation to generation. Aphorism in an essay in smallest possible form. There is aphoristic essay, but famous in the means Bacon also famous in essays. So these are the means stars, iconic memorable expression, generation to principle. These are the means elements or principles or characteristic of aphoristic essay. So remember this is in this way. These literary terms are taught by me. You remember example point of view. It is very important. Thank you.